everyone, welcome to Text Happen. If you are new here, I am Nitya and I'm gonna tell you 3 best steps to start your business with zero investment. Without much ado, let's deep dive into it. So the 3 steps to get started, the number 1 is website or social media handle. Building a website or creating a social media handle for your business. And the second step is content and design. Content and design serves as a key to your business. Okay? The third thing is communicating with your target audience. Communicating and identifying your right target audience is the main thing for every business out there. Okay? So the first one is having a website or social media handle. If you create a website for your business, you don't have to explain everything to your client, your mission and your vision and everything, what are the services you provide, who are your previous clients, or what experience do you have in this field. You don't have to explain everything to them. You just have to give your website URL and they'll find everything in your website. Okay, having a website defines your brand. Having a social media handle gives the trust to your client that you have an interactivity or you have a network with the people and you can serve them the best services possible. Okay, so good website and social media profile defines your brand. Okay, you have to have a website or a social media, and also creating a website do not require the traditional coding. There are lots and lots of sites. You can actually design an amazing, outstanding website for your brand with a drag and drop method. Okay, in the next video, I'm gonna tell you the practical implementation of how to get started in designing your website, your own website, the best tools to get started for free. Okay, also I'm gonna be guiding you how your website must not look, not appear. Okay, bright colors or the bright backgrounds, it should be much lighter. The background should be much lighter, or the images or the icons should be correctly aligned. I'm gonna tell you everything to get started with a website or a social media handle. Even the social media handle requires specific things to take care on. So in the next video, I'm gonna tell you all the practical implementation of how to get started with your website, the best tools to get started building your website. Okay, so watch this video till end. Also in next video we'll be posting in couple of days. And the second thing is content and design. The most important thing about content is avoid overloading of the content in your website or in your profile. Okay, avoid overloading your website mean that if you load your website with lots and lots of content, for example, if a client comes to your website, he'll search for a need he requires. Okay, for example, if his need is website development, let us assume his need is website development. He communicates with you about his requirements and you will provide him with the URL of your site. He'll go into your site and he'll find lots and lots of articles, lots and lots of content. He'll get diverted in the between, and he might actually lose his purpose of being on your website. Okay, he might lose his purpose and he irritates and he exits the website. Just don't overload the content in your website. Rather keep it simple. Rather use strategic headlines such as website development at a minimal fare, website development with no time. I'm just giving you a brief example of how the strategic headlines must appear. You can use any of those. You can implement any of your ideas. The creativity is everywhere. You can actually take help of your team, or you can actually take someone who is better at writing content. Okay, you can use strategic content strategies. I'll also be telling you how your content have to reflect, how your content headlines should reflect, and what are the measures you have to take while writing or creating content in the next further videos. Also, while you message your clients, you have to start greeting him first of all. Hello, I'm Nitya from Text Happen. Hope you're having a wonderful day. You have to start your content lines in this way. Okay, you don't have to start your content stating that we are this so and so company, we provide this services. If you're interested, please let us know. That's not at all the right way. That's not at all the good way. it might reflect in an arrogant way to your client, so he might lose the trust in you. He might not give you the project. You have to follow some measures while texting your client, whereas in your website, just maintain it concise. Just maintain with a clear content and concise content. Use headlines and use buttons, use icons, but don't not overload your website with the content. Okay, that's the most important thing. Whereas the designs implies to posters, flyers, brochures, etc. A good design also should have a strategic headline, that's it. And do not overload, do not actually put the content lines in your posters, guys. Please do not avoid putting content on your posters or banners or brochures, anything. Just put the headline, the theme of the poster, the theme of the brochure, and just market it. Just post them in your social media handles, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and just market them. That's it. Do not overload them with content, because a poster or anything which is used for marketing purpose, it should be with a single line or 2 lines, not more than 2 lines. Okay, that's the most important thing, because it might be messy. If you overload it with content, it might look messy to your clients, and so many people out there will not have a look to your poster or any content you post in social media. Okay, so just avoid overloading your profile with content. Also your website. The third thing is communicating with your target audience. Now, who are your target audience? If you select a niche, for example, you are a service providing company. Okay, you provide website development. Who are the target audience? Who are your target audience? Entrepreneurs, business development, consultancies, working professionals who wanted to start the business. Okay, the target audience depend on what niche you have selected. Okay, communicating with your target audience, identifying the right target audience is the most important thing in any business out there. Okay, and coming to the most important point, and also this point will be most important, because so many people out there, they trust hashtags and social media postings, and they do not market their service or product, hence they fail and they start working for some other company. But guys, trust me, social media postings or hashtags will not be your work at all. Okay, do not just depend on hashtags and do not just depend on social media postings. Rather, the best marketing strategy in this world is directly communicating with your audience. Directly communicating means you just have to message them. You just have to contact them. Email, whether it might be email, whether it might be WhatsApp, whether it might be Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. The best way is to communicate directly. Okay, so I'll be telling you the practical implementation, how to find your audience using LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, contacts, emails, everything in depth. I'll be telling you in depth. Also, I'll be telling you how to find the email of that particular company. Everything in detail with the practical implementation in the next videos. So please stay tuned and please follow, subscribe, and do like. To never miss an update, to never miss an video. Also do follow our social media profiles. I'll leave all the links in the description below. Okay, so communicating with your target audience is the most important thing for any business in this world. Communicate directly with your customer. Share your website URL, profile design, social media profile, posters, flyers, brochures, etc. So by sharing your website, posters, social profiles, the customer can actually look into them and he might find his need and he might contact you in return that, okay, you are offering the service, so I need your service. What is your price quote? Okay, as simple as that. Don't depend on hashtag social media posting. I'm not telling you not to post them. You have to post them, but don't just depend on social media postings and hashtags that do not work. Okay. Also, in the further videos, we'll talk about everything to get started with zero investment, every tool, every practical implementation, each and everything I'm going to tell you. So please do subscribe right now. Okay. So, as I told you, I'll be sharing the implementation. Trust me, I'll be sharing everything, how to connect and contact your target audience, how to get started with website development, how your content should reflect everything I'll be telling you. So please do subscribe. Thank you.